Hey, we on Facebook, right? We always on Facebook, right? And what if you had a product that you can sell stupidly crazy on Facebook and have your own e-commerce Facebook e-commerce funnel, like just done for you. You can start off with something like a simple Facebook page, right? Get a simple Facebook page, boom, off a product or off a niche of products, boom. Um, a hair care product, a survival product, a pair of leggings or something like that there. And then you just have a simple shop now button. That shop now button, something will pop up for that certain item that everybody eyes been Googling over. They go ahead and buy it. Then on top of that, you got their contact information so you can sell them more survival, more leggings, more hair care products, more jewelry, over and over and over again. You already know their buyers. You already know their buyers. Now, if you need a Facebook e-commerce funnel, that's all you see. That's all you see. And you know how Facebook is. The minute you think about something, Facebook is going to have ads showing up on it. So the minute you click, your people click it, your ads are going to be right there. Your site is just going to come up more and more. Anytime you post something, your sites are going to your posts on that product on that page are going to come up more and more in those people's news feed for them to buy more. All right. Now, me giving you the spill on this real quick and under 2 minutes or under 3 minutes is good. But for you to really dive in, you need a course, you need a tutorial, you need a training. So I want to suggest that you get this Insta Ecom Funnel product by Glenn Kalowski, and it's going to show you how to seamlessly make a cloud-based instant ecom funnel in pretty much 60 seconds or less. All right, everybody's doing it. And like I say, you're always going to buy physical products. You always got to buy bleach. You always got to buy fabric softener. You always got to buy food. You always got to buy clothes. You always got to buy the latest gadget or doohickey around Christmas time and around birthdays. So don't think this is ever going away, because it's not. All right. So do yourself a favor. Do me a favor. Let me help you help yourself, and check out this great product and get the great overview training that I got that I'm going to show you as soon as you go in. Click the link below in the description. All right. Peace.